Well, get a little better video since it's daylight now. But peeled the roof back. There is straw in there. Still waiting on hearing from the insurance. I got the claim set and they're supposed to call. I don't know when it'll be, but I'm hoping it's a lot sooner than later. And get that all mended up and fixed back. Ought to be a treat and a half. Find somebody that'll do it that ain't charge you an arm and a leg to do it. But there's a cedar tree way up there down, the pine tree in the backyard. Surprisingly, it didn't take off one of the tarps. That one was folded up so we could pull off of it. It blew the tarp down, but it pulled that tire, was on the side holding it down. We had a string across, and that tire rolled over and landed right on the end of the tarp, which I thought was kind of odd because I thought it had just blown off and Dad rolled the tire on to keep it from flopping. But the gravity wagon moved probably about 30 feet. As you can see, it's got the tongues full of corn fodder. It was pushing for a while till it got into the grass, and I guess it was dug in enough to stop, maybe. But it was up there. You can kind of see right around in there is where the tongue was sitting originally. But and get this fixed. Blew the back hole out of the hay chute for putting in the side of the wagon shed. I'm kind of glad that blew out. That might have relieved some of the pressure and didn't take more of the roof with it. But yeah, it did a number. Blew away my one calf hutch. Blew it out over the fence. But you can tell on the round bales, it actually blew that hard. It's got the stuff embedded in. You can see the shape of the bale. It wasn't like that before. But there was a calf hutch sitting right against that building. Well, it blew over the fence and was laying over there, which was very impressive because that's one of them old school fiberglass ones that are heavy as sin. I imagine that's a complete loss at this point. So luckily nothing happened to the house. There's a couple sheets of tin rolled up in the old hog pen where we keep the goats. But that actually wasn't too bad, and the shape that's in, I'm very, very happy that didn't turn out any worse. But we had one of them 10-foot feeders. We were feeding grain to the cows this summer to give them a little extra food in. That blew out of the pasture, landed in the back of the garden. And then my tree blew over. There's a couple other trees here and there, but I don't know, we fared out good, but not as good as I wish we would have. But just wait on the insurance guy and see what's next. Then try and find somebody who can fix roofs. I hope everybody else is having a better day.